Hello teacher, I am thrilled to share a wonderful piece of news. I have successfully traveled, researched these images, and received a significant sum of money from my university scholarship. The big question now is, what's leaders method? Why to use this money? I have three options: buying hobby item, traveling or saving. After much thought, I have decided that the most responsible and beneficial choice is to open a saving account for a later use. I chose saving because of the long-term benefit and immediate immediate security. Firstly, saving will provide me with financial security and peace of mind. Life as a student often comes with unexpected expense like earned textbook, medical costs, or student equipment repair. By investing this money into the decided account, I create an emergency fund that prevents my me from falling into debt stress when a critical situation issues. Secondly, this money is now exists for my future roles. Instead of being spent impulsively, this scholarship money can grow is an investment in my future self rather than a momentary endurance. While the other option are teaming, they have a clear drawback. Option 1. Purchasing something for my hobby or study could certainly be useful, perhaps a new laptop or a musical instrument. However, the often depressingly asset. Option 2. Traveling to other countries now is very exciting. It offers wonderful new experience and person browse. Nevertheless, a single trip would consume the entire stroller for a very short period, perhaps only a week or two. Conclusion: while the value person enjoyment and route, the weather distraction for my future is option 3 saving. It is the most practical choice that ensures both immediate stability and their ability to for long-term appreciation. This scholarship money is not just a reward for the past, but the resources for the future. Thank you for listening.